welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this eye look using the Glamlite paint palette, the Meat Lovers version. So excited to show you guys what this can do and show you guys some swatches, as well as give you my overall review of what I thought about this palette. So if you guys want to see the look, keep on watching. So like in my last video, which I'll actually link up above, I want to tell you guys a bit about the palette and what the website says. By the way, it is cruelty-free, vegan-free, and it's also allergy tested. So the description says, Meat Lovers Slice. From the makers of the world's first pizza palette, Glamlite brings you the Meat Lovers Pizza Slice palette. This savory slice contains 8 ultra pigmented shades inspired by the most delicious meat toppings such as Canadian bacon, baked salami, chicken, ham, pepperoni, and sausage, which make the most delectable combination of rich red, vibrant pinks, vivid purples, and beautiful browns. Now you can take a yummy slice wherever you go. Bon appetit. Here's some of the palette. And here is the inside of the palette. And you do get 10 beautiful shades. Starting from the top, left to right, meatballs, pepperoni, chicken, ham, bacon, salami, Canadian bacon, crushed red pepper, red onions, and sausage. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera just to save us some time. I'm gonna go in with this meatball shade right here, and I'm gonna put that a little bit right over the top of my lid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Sausage and put that right underneath where I put the meatball shade. The color is coming up more red. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but it's definitely coming up more red than brown on the lid. I'm gonna also put that in closer to the middle, bring that in, as well as in the inner corner. Okay, so I kind of have that where I want it. I may come back in after I put concealer on the lid and darken this up a bit more. Now that's there, I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to grab that color Salami right here and put that wherever I put the concealer. I'm gonna go back into that sausage shade and blend around the edges. After I'm done blending in that sausage shade, I'm gonna go back into Salami and put it in the center just to brighten it up a bit. Now that I've gotten that the way I kind of like it, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then do my face. So now that the look is done, I thought I'd go in with bacon and chicken and just add a pop of it on my cheekbones. gonna go ahead and do something to this hair real quick, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so for my final thoughts on the palette, I really enjoy this palette. I think it's a really pretty palette. I think if I have to choose, I have 3 favorite colors. It would have to be chicken, salami, and bacon. Here's chicken, salami, and bacon. Those colors are just so pretty. I really do like this palette. You do get a mirror, so that's a plus. And the shades, the swatches were really, really good. They blended really well. And I think I would definitely recommend this palette. So if you guys haven't tried Glamlite, I would definitely go for this palette. If you guys are really into like the reds and pinkish colors, you can make such pretty looks with this. Yeah, I really like this. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios.